Venn diagram and problem solving. Let's consider this example. In a school of 300 students, 110 offered French, 110 Hausa, and 180 Yoruba, 40 French and Hausa, 50 Hausa and Yoruba, 60 French and Yoruba, while 30 did not offer any of the three subjects. A. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the data. B. Use your diagram in A to find the number of students who offered 1. All the three subjects, 2. Yoruba alone. So now let's try to bring out the information. In a school of 300 students, it means the total number in the universal set we are having 300. 110 offered French. Those that offered French, they are 110 students. 40 French and Hausa. It means those that offered French intersection Hausa, they are 40. Then 50 Hausa and Yoruba. Those that offer Hausa intersection Yoruba, we are having 50. While 60 French and Yoruba. Those that having French intersection Yoruba, they are 60. While 30 did not offer any of the three subjects. So that means those that is French union Hausa union Yoruba complement. How many are they? 30. Those ones should be outside the circle. So to draw the Venn diagram, first of all, when you draw the three circles, one for French, one for Hausa, and one for Yoruba. So we need to know those that offer the three subjects. We were not given the information. So those that offer the three subjects, that is what? That offer the three subjects, that is French intersection, Hausa intersection, Yoruba. Let's use X to represent it. So this X will be where those three subjects intersect, those three circles intersect. So this X represents those that offer the three subjects. Now, we have been told those that offered history, French and history. Those that offer French and history, they are 40. But out of these 40, some of them still offer Yoruba. To know those that offer only French and Hausa, which will be 40 minus X. Those that offer French and Hausa only will be those that offer French and Hausa minus those that offer the three subjects. We don't know the value of X, so we say minus X. So 40 minus X represents those that offer only French and Hausa. Then we know that those that offer Hausa and Yoruba, they are 50. But out of these 50, some of them offer the three subjects. So to know those that offer only Hausa and Yoruba, we are having 50 minus X. So you put it where? So this one is Hausa and Yoruba. This place will not represent those that offer only Hausa and Yoruba. Then we know that 60 students offer French and Yoruba. We are having 60 students. But to know those that will offer only French and Yoruba, you subtract those that are offering the three subjects from it. So that will be 60 minus X will be offering only French and Yoruba. So French and Yoruba, so this is where the intersect. Only French and Yoruba are what? 60. 60 minus X. Also, we need to know those that offer only one subject. So those that offer French are 110. To now know those that offered only French, that means you come to the circle of this French. Now you subtract those that offer French and history only, those that offered history in the three subjects, and those that offer only French and Yoruba. You add this that is 40 minus s plus 60 minus s, and subtract it from 110. Let's do that. So we have 110 offering French. To get those that offer French only minus those that offer French and history only, plus those that offer the 3 subjects, plus those that offer only history, and this is 60 minus x. So 40 minus s plus x plus 60 minus z, add everything together. So that means we are having 40 minus s plus 60 minus z. 40 plus 60 is 100 minus s plus s is 0 minus f. So 100 minus x offer French and history only, the 3 subjects, and French and Yoruba only. So you now subtract the addition of all these. You subtract the addition of these 3 from those that offer French. So which is 110 minus 100 minus x. If you open the bracket here, we have 100 minus 100, 110 minus 100, minus times minus will give us plus x. So 110 minus 100 will give us 10 plus x. So 10 plus x offered only French. So then you now put it where this is 10 plus x offered only French. Now, to know those that offered history only. For those that offered history only, so that means you first add those that offer history and French only, those that offer the 3 subjects, and those that offered Yoruba and French only, and add all this together, you realize you get 90 minus f. Then subtract it from those that offered Hausa only. Those that offer Hausa generally, they are 110 minus 90 minus x. Then we have minus 90 minus times minus will give us plus x. 110 minus 90 is 20 plus x. So write 20 plus 7 where those that offered only Hausa. Then you come to those that offer Yoruba only. So to get those that offer Yoruba only, so that means you are going to add those that offer French and Yoruba only, the 3 subjects, Hausa and Yoruba only, add all these ones and subtract it from 180. So when you add 60 minus s plus 50 minus s will give you 110 minus f. So if you now open the bracket, 180 minus 10 minus times minus is plus s. 180 minus s is 70 plus s. 70 of plus s like only Yoruba. So write it where those that like only Yoruba. So like this, we've been able to represent it on a Venn diagram. So to now get those that offered all the 3 subjects, we've represented those that offered all the 3 subjects with x. So now that means you are going to add those that offered only 1 subject, that is French only, Hausa only, French only, Hausa only, then Yoruba only. Then those that add those that offered 2 subjects, that is 60 minus x, 40 minus x, 50 minus x, and those that offer 1 subject plus those that didn't offer any of the 3 plus 30 is equal to the sum of the number of students in the universal set, which is 3, should be equal to 300. So if you open the bracket, you have 10 plus x plus 20 plus x plus 70 plus x plus 60 minus x plus 40 minus x plus 50 minus x plus 30 is equal to 300. If you add those figures together, you realize you are having 280 plus. If you add and subtract the x, that eventually realize you give us plus x equal to 300. If you bring this 280 to this side, now turn to 300 minus 280, which will give us 20. So it means that those that like all the 312 subjects are 20. Then the last part says, how many students like Yoruba only? How many students like Yoruba only? So to know the number of students that like Yoruba only, those that like Yoruba only is represented by 70 plus x. 70 plus x. Since you've got the value for s, which is 20, 70 plus 20 will give us 90. So 90 students will like only Yoruba only. So work practice. A school has 37 vacancies for teachers, out of which 22 are for English language, 20 for history, and 17 for fine art. Of these vacancies, 11 are for both English language and history, 8 for both history and fine arts, and 7 for English language and fine arts. Using a Venn diagram, find the number of teachers who must be able to teach all the 3 subjects. B. Fine art only. C. English language and history but not fine arts. Please ensure you like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you.